2026, most of the businesses uses Google Business Profile in order to collect feedbacks as well as showcase the reviews that they receive. Now, if you're consistently engaged with the replies and the comments you receive from your customers or clients, the customer will rely on your business even more. That means if you receive a bad review, you will reply to the comment instantly so that customer will know, yes, the business is working on it. They might improve later. So if you are focused and engaged with such reviews, your brand value is going to grow. Now, replying each and every review manually is a very time-consuming job, or it's an extra task that you don't have to waste your energy on. You can simply create the setup that you can see on the screen that will automatically send a reply to the comments, the reviews that you will receive on your Google Business Profile. So without wasting any further time, let me show you how this automation is going to work. I will write a new review using a different profile on my business, on my Google Business account, and check whether automatically I receive the reply of this review or not. Okay, for the rating, let me give the rating as 4, and for this description of the review, I'm going to write it as: this studio has an amazing collection and pricing. I will post this review from here. As you can see, I have posted the review successfully. If I'm going to open the review section, let me refresh this page. I will open the review section. You can see right over here, the review has been posted. The AI will take at least few seconds and the AI will take few minutes in order to send the reply back to me. So I will wait over here for few minutes. So as few minutes has passed away, I will refresh this reviews page again and you will see I have received the reply right here. It says, "Hi Ashi, thank you. We're thrilled you enjoyed our collection and pricing. Pop in again soon. We love to style a personalized edit to make your next visit even better. Urban Thread Studios." That's the name of my business. So I've received this reply instantly as I've posted the new review on my Google Business Profile. So this is how this amazing setup is going to work in real time. You will receive a new review on your Google Business Profile. AI is going to generate the reply and send the reply back to the person who have posted the review. So without wasting any further time, let's create this setup using Pabbly Connect. I will be creating this setup using Pabbly Connect. This is software with the help of which between multiple applications you can create connection without need of any coding and programming skills. In order to access Pabbly Connect, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect and the landing page is going to appear in front of you. Now if you're a new user, you're logging in for the first time, sign up for free from here with the help of which you will get 100 free tasks every month so that you can test out the Pabbly Connect's features right away without paying any cost. Yes, and if you like using Pabbly Connect and you want unlimited tasks to automate your business workflows as well, you can purchase our yearly or lifetime deals. And if you want instant discounts on the purchase of these plans, you can check out the code I've added on the left side of the screen right here, which will get you instant discounts. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead, use the code. The code is in the description section as well. Get instant discounts and automate your workflows. Okay, sign in from here, create the account, and then you will come to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect just like this. Now, in order to create the workflow, click on this Create Workflow button. Pabbly Connect has recently launched Create using AI Workflow Builder, with the help of which just by giving a prompt, you can create your own workflow without selecting any triggers or actions. So I will create this workflow using this Create using AI option. Now we need to describe the workflow that I want. So I have written the description that create an automation workflow where every new Google Business Profile review is sent to OpenAI ChatGPT to generate a polite, context-aware reply that's automatically posted back, reply back to the same review on Google Business Profile. So this is the requirement I have. I will send this prompt towards this AI flow builder. It will analyze my request. Now we have to select our trigger first, which Google Business Profile should trigger this workflow. It will be new review, that whenever a new review is received, automatically select this option of OpenAI ChatGPT. You have to select our action application, and in that I want ChatGPT to generate the reply, so I'll select ChatGPT. Now what should I do next? I want to create the reply after this, so I will select over here as create reply. So now whenever from Google Business Profile I will receive a new review, automatically OpenAI ChatGPT is going to generate the reply and post back the review on that same comment that I've received. So this is the workflow this AI flow builder has created to me. That's a correct workflow. If you want to edit anything from this, modify this workflow option, you can modify the workflow. I will approve and create the workflow and open this workflow on a new tab. And the workflow is going to be generated by our AI flow builder, and this is the exact template we wanted. Now let us set up the connections and the entire creation will be done. Simply, we are going to set up our trigger first, and now let's create the connection from here. If you want, you can select the existing connection from before. I will teach you how you can add a new one. For that, click on the sign in with Google button. Select the account with the help of which you are handling your Google business profile. So this is the account. I will select it from here. And then it is asking for the access of the account, for which I'm going to click on this allow button, as this is a safe process and my data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. After doing that, we have to select the account and the location name with the help of which on which you're receiving the reviews. So my account is in the name of Angel, and over here my business in the name of Urban Thread Studios. So I will select those respective details from here, and then you need to click on this save and send test request button. And as you will do that, the last review that was created on your Google business profile is going to be captured in the trigger right here. So what I'm going to do is, before clicking on this button, I will post a new review and check whether my trigger captures the response of that review or not. Okay, so let me open the different account. So this is the account. Now let's post the review. I am going to give this time 2 stars. I will write a negative comment, and the comment is, I really had a bad, disappointing experience with Urban Thread Studios. The quality of the products did not match what was shown online, and the finishing felt cheap. On the top of that, the delivery was delayed without a proper communication or updates. Customer support was unresponsive and didn't resolve my issue satisfactorily. Definitely not worth the price, would not recommend. So I have written a negative review this time. I will post this review right over here. As soon as I have done that, you can see I have received that this review has now been posted in this business. If I'm going to refresh this page, you will see right over here, I have successfully posted this review right here. Now, as I have posted the review, let me go back to my workflow and click on this save and send test request button. As soon as I will do that, you will see the same rating of 2, name was Ashi Rai, and this is the same comment that we have posted right now. It's been captured in the trigger. This means Google business profile is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now, we should generate the response towards this comment that we have received from one of our customers. For that, simply we are going to set up this entire OpenAI ChatGPT step. Click on this connect button. I will teach you how you can add a new connection. For that, you need to provide the token that you will find in your OpenAI account. For that, go towards this hyperlink directly and you will come to the OpenAI API keys page. To create a new token, click on this create button. Over here, you can name the key whatever you want. So let me name it as dummy. Project, I will select the default project. You can select the project according to your requirement. Permission, I'll give all the permissions and create the token from here. Copy this token, paste it down in the field, click on the save button. That is how you build the connection between OpenAI and Pabbly Connect. After the connection for the AI model, I will use over here as GPT-5 mini. If you want, you can use different AI model to generate the responses according to your requirement. Next, we have to enter the prompt. Now, as you are going to operate ChatGPT, you need to enter a text, and according to the text, ChatGPT is going to generate you the reply. That is how the prompt field works. You have to enter your request over here in the prompt field, and ChatGPT is going to generate the reply according to that. So for the prompt over here, I'm going to write it as, so this is the reply. You are a professional, friendly customer support representative for a fashion brand called Urban Thread Studios. I have written some guidelines of what I want, and according to that, ChatGPT is going to generate me the reply. If you want this entire detailed prompt, you have to comment down below, give me the prompt, and I will show you the prompt instantly. Okay, so now I have to enter the review comment right here. For the data of this field, I will map the data. Mapping is inserting data from the previous step. Select where you want to map the data and add a slash. Previous step is going to appear where search for the comment, and this is the comment for which I want to generate the reply. So I will select the data of this comment from my previous response. Now, as I've selected this data from my previous response, the data in this field has been mapped, and as we have mapped this data, the data has now become what? Dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured of the new of the new review in the previous step, automatically the new data will be updated in place of this mapped data. In the similar manner, I will map the data of the rating as well as the customer's name right here. So let me do that, and after that it says now generate a reply. Click on this save and send test request button. Within few seconds, OpenAI ChatGPT is going to generate you the reply to this comment that you have received. Okay, and you will see I have received this reply. Hi Ashi, I am truly sorry. We let you down and appreciate you telling us about it. Please DM your order number or email on this email address so that we can arrange a refund or replacement and investigate the shipping and support lapse. We want every piece to feel as polished as it looks online. Let us make this right. You can see how polite review that ChatGPT has generated towards the negative comment that I've received. Now, if you ever receive negative comments on your Google business profile, if you are going to be professional enough to send such replies towards the comments, the customers are going to take it positively, and if you're going to handle the situation correctly, you will get good reviews for your business. Okay, so this is how this amazing automation is useful for businesses. Now, as this reply has been generated, now let's create this reply and send it towards our customers. We have to be immediate with that. For that, we are going to set up our Google business profile step again. Click on this connect button. You have to now select the existing connection from before. If you want, you can add a new connection. I will select the existing connection from before. We have to now select the account ID and the location name, which is again Angel Anthony, and the location is Urban Thread Studios. Now for the review name, simply toggle this button on and erase the written data from here. Okay, I will do that. I will erase this data and simply search for this review name, and you have received the review name over here as well in the previous step. So map it. And for the reply, map the data of this generated response by ChatGPT and click on this save and send test request button, where you have received this response, which is a positive response. And if I will open my account only and go to the reviews section, you will see to this disappointing review, this reply has been forwarded from my business, the same reply that was generated by ChatGPT. So now as the reply has been posted, you can see within few minutes the reply has been posted. This is how this amazing automation is going to work in real time. Remember one thing, the replies will not be forwarded instantly. It will take few minutes. It's because Google Business Profile is a polling based application. That means the new data will be searched by our trigger in every trigger time that you have selected. According to my workflow, my trigger time is 60 minutes currently. But if I want to change it, I can right click on it, go to the set trigger time option and select the trigger time. Let's suppose I want it for 10 minutes and save this step. Now in every 10 minutes, my trigger Google Business Profile is going to search for the new trigger, generate the reply to the new review and send the reply instantly. So that is why it will take few minutes to send the response. Okay. So if you have questions or doubts related to this setup that I've created, you can comment down below and I will reply to you as soon as possible. If you want this entire workflow, you can check out the workflow link added in the description section. The code for the discount is also added there. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.